Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is a Takisawa Max 800 Deluxe gearhead engine lathe. Has 6 speeds from 83 to 1800. Was made in 1977. It has a Bison 3-jaw self-centering chuck. UASA quick change tool post. Compound's in pretty good condition. Nice large dials. Longitudinal feed travadial. The tailstock has a Morse taper 3. This has automatic kick out on the carriage. Foot switch and brake. The spindle hole is 1 3/8. The spindle is A15. Gears are in good condition. Comes with some extra top jaws, headstock adapter, live center, and 5 holders for the UASA tool post. I've got the 5C collet draw tube, but I don't have the spindle adapter. So right now we're at 83 RPM. Oh, got to turn on the switch. Main motor. Oh, and the coolant doesn't work. There's the main power. Reverse. And we can kick it up to a higher RPM. This will be 560. So the feed bar is running. Gauge the power feed. Switch it to cross feed. And this, I think, engages the lead screw. So now the half nuts will work when we put this in the center position. To change the direction, change that knob. And now we should be feeding towards the headstock. That works. It has a 5 horsepower 3-phase 220 volt motor. It's currently wired for 220. Thanks for looking.